we've done Get Started with Apps. It was a nice way to introduce ourselves to SwiftUI and all kinds of things in SwiftUI like stacks and images and texts and modifiers. I would like you to open up this Swift Playgrounds template. It's down here under More Playgrounds. You might actually see it in this list below. I don't, so I'd like you to tap on See All if you're like me and you don't see it, and go to the App Gallery and pick up About Me, Swift 5.7 edition. This number might have changed by the time you're watching this video. Just make sure that you get a version that says Swift 5.7 and above. Tap on Get and it will download a copy of this Playgrounds book for you. About Me is a fun little exercise where you create an app that's all about you, not me, you. Alright, so tap on it and you can get started. Once again, it's a tutorial, so there's going to be some pieces of guided text over here that will guide you through customizing this to become all about you. Okay, so on the right hand side, you have a preview of your app. It says all about random gray figure, your name. And it's got some icons down here. This is a tab bar, and you can see each of these is a different tab view. So you can tap on it and see story, your name. That's not a very good story. We will fix that. And down here, there's favorites. Favorites are hobbies, foods, and guess my favorite colors. Ooh, okay, I did not guess that. And down here, fun facts. Show random fact. Tap on it. There is a creek that runs through town. Sure. Okay, so what you will be doing over this unit is you will be customizing this with your own fun facts, your own favorites, your own story, and your own gray color image, or rather your own face. Okay, so to get started, tap on Learn More over here, and you will get into the tutorial mode. So once again, if you want to switch between tutorial and preview, this is the tutorial, and this is the preview. Okay, so if you scroll down, it just tells you, okay, well, tab views help people navigate through your app by allowing them to see and switch between multiple views. You might recall this from phase 1, where we spent some time talking about different types of navigation in iPad OS apps. So here you're making an app with a tab view, okay? And you'll see on the left-hand side, it says Content View. So Content View is the front page of any app that shows up, okay? So inside here, this front page defines that there's a tab view and there are multiple views down here. We'll talk more about these later on, okay? But you just scroll down, you're going to see that it's going to get you to look through each of the tabs to customize one by one. All right, so feel free to take some time to read through what's going on inside here. I would like to point out on the left-hand side that you can open up the sidebar and you can see that there are all kinds of different files inside this app. There's Content View, Favorites View, Fun Facts View, Home View, Story View, and Your Tab. What is that? We'll figure that out. Okay, there's one thing I need to point out to you. Many students will be very curious about what's going on in all these different tabs, and you can change just about any single one of them. Just be aware that there are some files that if you change will create a bit of trouble in loading your app. So one of these is About Me app. About Me app is something that you probably don't need to change at all. About Me app is the first file that is loaded by SwiftUI when your app is opened. And what it says is, please help me load Content View. Okay, that's why Content View is the front page to your app. Now, Content View over here has a whole bunch of stuff. It's got a tab view with these 4 views: Home, Story, Favorites, and Fun Facts. These correspond to each of these files. And there's one more file over here called Your Tab, which we will include as a 5th tab inside your app when we reach that point. So for now, let's close the sidebar. So quick revision, tap on this button right here to close the sidebar and tap on the tutorial button to continue on. You can tap on Start Building, okay? Or you can tap on the first of the tutorial items. All right, so once you're ready, read through this and I'll see you in the next video where I will go through how to customize your home view.